my gosh, look at my appearance. I look crazy. Oh, I got my oils on. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today we are preparing for an impromptu vacation, you guys. Listen, we're going on a weekend trip to Savannah for my mom's birthday. They had already had this planned. They asked me to go at the last second. So look, your girl said, you know what? I need a vacation. I need multiple vacations. I deserve a vacation. So I have had to snatch my life together within the last 24 hours. I had work that I needed to finish, videos that needed to be edited. My house was a mess, so I needed to clean up, get rid of everything, take all the trash out. I'm just like, I can't leave my house for 2 days and it's a mess. I'm not coming back to a dirty house after being on vacation and having a good time. That's just never a good vibe, right? So it's like 8 in the morning. I'm late. I'm supposed to be on the road at this very moment and I'm still at home. But I did not want to get up this morning because last night I was up editing a video. And yesterday I did lip gloss as well. So I was making lip gloss for hours, and then had to come home, basically rush home, edit a video and try to get my life together. So right now, this is what my life is looking like. I literally just threw everything on the floor that I want to pack, which is ridiculous. So I'm about to put it inside of this suitcase right here. I wanted to do, you know, a nice little pack with me video for vacation because I don't ever go anywhere. So what am I ever packing for? So we're gonna pack today, but I'm literally supposed to be leaving this house within the next 10 minutes. So yep, I kind of have everything consolidated, so I just need to put it inside of the suitcase. And I just got out the shower and everything, so I'm pretty much dressed and ready to go. I just need to physically like be ready to go, and I need to pack up my computer and stuff. I have a video that has to go live today, a teamy video, so it's like a very hard deadline type of video. So that video is done and everything, but I'm just like, I feel like I need to bring my computer just in case. And I'm also vlogging this trip, so I'm like, what if the memory card fills up? What if I need to, you know, I don't want to bring work stuff, but I'm just like, I'm vlogging, you know, so I kind of have to. So yeah, that's the tea for today. If you're new here, welcome to my life. My life is in shambles. It's fine. I'm excited to go on vacation. Literally, nails are a mess, toes are a mess, everything, but I'm going on vacation. We're gonna have a great time. I don't even care. Make sure you subscribe down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and let's pack. Packing nothing but comfy clothes for this trip because that is how I'm feeling. I just want to be comfortable in my own skin, okay? Like, we're not doing anything crazy, and I have literally been dressing up all of my cozy outfits anyway. So yes, that's the vibe that we are going for. I'm trying to make sure that all this stuff is going to fit in this little suitcase. I probably need to roll it up. I just don't want to make everything super wrinkly in here. I'm bringing all sets, okay? Sets. But then I have those 2 sweats that don't have tops to go with it. So then I could just wear this. Yeah, that'll work. Y'all, I was so tired last night. Like, once I finally got done editing this video, I was just so ready to tap into some relaxation. And it was Tipsy Thursday as well, and so I'm just like, girl, okay, we canceled Tipsy Thursday, so it's really just me and Devin hanging out. Y'all, this is so good. It's just so good. So yeah, it was just me and Devin hanging out for Tipsy Thursday, and I was just like, you know, I can't work anymore. I can't even think about packing. I just can't. Like, that's how I was feeling. I'm just like, I just can't do it. I'll do it in the morning, it's fine. So that is why I'm sitting here rushing, literally rushing to get everything packed. And I'm just stuffing stuff into the suitcase. And it's gonna be great. It's gonna be amazing. All right, it's gonna be amazing. Look at that, see? That happened in record time. Great. Put my headscarf in here. Honestly, I think I'm about to put this on my head because I already know it's cold outside. Don't nobody got time for that. I'm gonna put my socks on. Fuzzy socks, yep. Y'all, I think that I'm leaving my computer here. Like, I don't think I'm about to bring all this stuff with me. I think I just changed my mind that quick. Like, I have my phone, so I can literally vlog on my phone because I have this nice phone now and I have all this space now. So I really don't need the camera. And I just emptied out the memory card, so there should be enough space. Woo, Jesus. I think there will be enough space. And vlogging, honestly, is not my priority this weekend. My priority is to actually relax. So I think I will be just fine. I'm packing some tea with me, especially my sleep tea. Like, I have to have this. I just want to like tap into being fully relaxed, like on vacation, and drinking my sleep tea. You know, I feel like that'll be a great vibe. So I'm gonna put these in my purse. And my AirPods charging, my phone charging, everything charging. I think I'm done packing. Like, I think we're good to go. Okay, so I have my blanket and my pillow. I don't know about y'all, but I don't know. Right now, I just only feel comfortable if I'm going somewhere, if I can sleep on my own pillow, you know, put my face on things that I usually put my face on. So I'm bringing my pillow and my blanket. One, because I'm about to be knocked out in the car because your girl's tired. I'm ready to go sleep. I'm gonna be knocked out in the car. Two, because I'm more comfortable with something from my house when I'm in foreign places. So yep, that's what I'm doing. And I'm literally headed out the door right now. So I made it to my parents' house. It is 9:30 in the morning and I'm just happy to be out of the driver's seat, you guys. I'm so tired. I'm ready to get in the car and lay down. I just plugged my phone and my AirPods back in because I'm like, can we get to 100%, please? I just need to be confident in my battery life on this trip. I'm about to check my phone because I have some Instagram notifications. There's probably emails that need to be responded to, and I want to do all of that before I get into vacation mode, you know? So that's what I'm about to do really quickly. I'm excited, you guys. Like, I'm really excited to be out of the house. And y'all know Savannah is like my second home because I went to school in Savannah, and I need to hit my friends up and be like, I'm gonna be in Savannah today, so hit my line, okay? If you're free, hit my line. Just, you know, so I can say hey to people while I'm there, because I just feel bad every time I go there if I don't see my people for at least a few minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna hit my peeps up to see who's gonna be able to see me. I am going to, you know, keep vlogging, so there will be a whole separate vlog of like our Savannah trip and our room and our stay and everything. So yeah, just stay tuned, you guys. This was just like a little get ready with me. We're doing an impromptu vacation, last minute little thing, okay? So yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.